Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this slow-mo black and white 2-color video trend in CapCut Mobile. So first, just add your videos into CapCut, then split it into two. So I'm going to split in here. Then click on the first video, go to adjust, and lower the saturation of the video into 50 and also increase the contrast like this. Click on the check icon. Now click on the second part of the clip, go to speed and click on normal and slow down the speed. Click on the check icon and this is the result. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.